Hello everyone, this is Momobee's Smart Home. Today we are introducing the Tuya Zigbee Solar Rain Sensor. This sensor is powered by solar panels and can detect rainwater in real time. Like other Zigbee devices, you first need to pair the Tuya Zigbee gateway, then press and hold the button on the back of the device for a few seconds until the indicator light flashes. Open the Tuya app, select the Zigbee gateway, select Add Device, wait for a while. The app will find and successfully add the device. This sensor is generally used for outdoor rain monitoring. It is powered by solar energy. You don't have to worry about battery life. When the rain sensor is wet, the app will receive an alarm push in time. In addition, you can also set up smart scenes to generate linkage control with other Tuya smart devices. The historical records will also mark each trigger time. Thank you for your attention. See you next time. Thank you.